Page 7, the Trombone Player. Here they're covering eighth notes in 4/4 time. As I said many times, it doesn't matter what the time signature is. An eighth note is an eighth note. It gets half as much as a quarter note. So there's 2 eighth notes in a quarter note. You understand all that? Doesn't matter. Well, now we're counting to 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. However, now we're playing both hands at the same time. This is new, I guess. So let's look at this at the beginning. When I'm learning a piece of music where the hands are playing together, first I go through and I learn it one hand at a time, and then try to put the hands together. And that's usually like starting over almost. So I'm going to use that approach here. So I'm going to cover the right hand first. Here, you're here and third finger, just the right hand, and you're playing it. And all we're doing is playing a whole note, so that's not so bad. You're going to hold that down for 4 counts, each of these for 4 counts, and then the last measure of the first line. Remember, a measure is the space, the distance between those vertical lines, the measure lines. That's a measure. Well, the last measure of the first line, you get 2 notes at the same time. Well, figure them out. Start with the bottom note and then the next note, because you could have a lot of notes at the same time. You just figure it out one note at a time. Here we have a D and an F together. That's all. So the measure in front of it is an E, and then you just play those 2 together. And again, I'm lowering the weight here. I'm just changing which fingers I want the weight on. It's here and then here. That's fine. Try and get them down at the same time if you can. And then you have a few of those, and then back to the E, and a few of those, and some of the E. All right, that's the right hand. It's all whole notes. Left hand's got all the goodies in it. It's here. 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. And that's the left hand. That's all it does until you get to the last measure when it's a whole note. Let's try the hands together then. Here, at the same time, I'm just holding that down for 4 counts. 1 and 2 and 3. See there, 3 notes. And this is all this piece does, over and over and over. You're just gonna love it. It'll drive everybody up a wall. So you go through and make sure you can play it. Then let's play it together. I'm going to give us 4 counts, and let's play the whole thing together slowly. 1 and 2 and ready and go and 3 and 4. It's the last line. One, 2, 3, 4, off.